channel. It's Camilla here. I know I haven't seen y'all since last year. It's been like a couple of months. Please don't come for me. Like, it's okay. It's okay. I'm just not used to talking in front of the camera and, you know, busy. Like, life happens, but I'm gonna try to be consistent with this. If you haven't realized by now, by the description of the video, in today's video we will be talking about how I got these natural looking flock locks with human hair. But before we get into the video, during this time we are going through the COVID-19 coronavirus. So I'm just wondering, how are you guys doing while y'all are staying at home? Are you a homebody already, so it doesn't really matter to you? Or are you ready to get back out outside? So without further ado, please comment down below and subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and let's get right to it. So this is what my hair looks like. I went for the bob kind of type, but at the same time, it's not really like a blunt bob. It's like a natural bob. So like, it's like layered type. Cause let me show. I don't really have a middle part. And like, you see how if I put this over here, this one's like a little longer. But it gives it a more natural type of look. And I had these in for going on 3 weeks now. So this may be a 2 or 3 part video. I haven't decided yet. I've already washed my hair as well before, so this is how my hair looks after washing it and wearing it for 3 weeks. And it's about time, well, it's really like 2.5 weeks, but it's about time to refresh their hair. But let's get into how I started off with my hair. I freshly washed my hair, I blow dried it, and I twisted my hair. Some people twist it, and others I have seen they braid their hair. But I think it depends on what you feel is best for you or the texture of your hair. So yes, let's get into the clips and then we'll come back. Okay guys, so here we're about to get into the locks. I'm using Murray's edgewax to use on my hair. I'm just taking some of the hair. This is how much I'm going to take. And then I'm going to take my crochet needle and I'm going to put it in between my twists at the base. And I'm going to take the piece of hair and put that in between the hook, and I'm only gonna pull through one side of the braiding hair. I'm gonna pull the braiding hair to one side as far as I can, as you can see, And then I'm gonna hold that hair and my twist together, not too tight, so that I can twist or wrap the hair around my hair. And I'm just gonna wrap that a few times at the base and then work my way down. And next, as far as adding hair, I take another piece, and to make it look more realistic, I won't really wrap as tightly where there's hair left over, so it can have some softness to it versus it being all the way hard and below, going all the way down my hair strand. And I'm just going to keep wrapping until I get to the ends of my hair where I want my hair to stop, which is at my collarbone, to a point to where I like it. I'm going to up and fold the hair upward and wrap upwards until it can't wrap no more. Okay, so sorry about the view. I know it's probably kind of hard to see, but as you can see, I'm putting the Maurice edgewax on the roots of my hair so that can be smooth. And here I'm trying to show you how I'm holding it and wrapping it around my hair. But like I said, if you would like a more detailed video and a closer actual step-by-step view on how I got these locks, just give this video a thumbs up and comment down below, and I'll be sure to do an updated video and to actually slow it down on how I got the locks. So, as you can see in the clips, you see how I blow dry my hair out, and I started to put my hair in mini twists, and then later on, I probably wore my mini twist for at least a day or two, probably even more than that. But so I went into my local beauty supply store and I bought the Ibiza natural virgin human hair, and it comes in a box like this. You can see this is just a little bit of it. Don't mind my fingernail. Can't go to the store because, you know, the nail shop is closed and my nail finally broke because we got this COVID. You know, people out here scared, and I can't get my nails did. But yeah, anyway, so I went to my local beauty supply store. It's gonna focus. Here you go. I went to my local beauty supply store, and it is Ibiza natural hair virgin human hair, and it comes in a bulk. As you can see in the clip, I'll put a clip somewhere, but it comes in a bulk pack, and it's two bulks in this one pack. So I bought six or seven of these packs. I used 1.5 of this pack, of the last pack. So I didn't even use the whole pack. So technically I used like six packs for this look. Like if you want a longer look, you probably need at least 14 packs. I can say I do love this hair. Like, it's very natural. I love that it's human hair, which is a good thing. But on the other hand, which I'm gonna probably do another video, I know I am, on a faux locks tutorial or whatever, but with some cheaper hair. Like, this hair right here is expensive. When I tell you this is expensive, I don't have my receipt right now, but I remember that price. And for this one pack is $14.99. And I got 6 packs and some extra stuff for the style. But overall, I spent like $100 and some in the store for some hair. And this ain't no weave now. This is gonna be going in the trash most likely, because it's all wrapped and tangled up. So in another video, I'm gonna find a cheaper human hair. I like the human hair look. I'm also gonna try the synthetic or human blend look, but I really do like how natural like it looks. Like ever since I did my hair, I be trying to go out. We ain't supposed to be going out during this corona. We supposed to be staying at home, but I be finding every excuse to go to the store. And every time I go to the store, somebody's like, your hair is cute, who did it? I did. And they be like, do you do hair? I don't really do hair, but I can, like, I'll do some hair if you really want me to. I just don't do it because I can do my own hair. I can mess up my hair, but I don't want to mess up nobody else's hair. You feel me? I feel like that's everybody. And especially if I don't really practice doing hair. But I think I might as well make that a skill. But anyway, so yeah, this hair, I really love it. So it gets a plus for that. It's very lightweight. When I washed it, it was very lightweight. It didn't unravel or anything. And as you notice, I just wrapped on itself and I didn't use any glue or anything. Some people use glue. I mean, it's up to your discretion if you want to use glue or not, but I didn't. What else? Like, the hair is 12 inches and this is how the hair looks. It comes like this, like little bits and pieces. And like if you stretch it out, it should end up being like 12 inches. And it's very soft hair. You can dye, you can bleach it. It just doesn't come in this kinky kind of hair. They have another kind of hair like bohemian or something, I'm not sure. But yeah, so I just wanted to come in and do a quick little video on this hair, and I will see you guys in part 2. Hope you guys like this little mini video on how I got these faux locks. Comment down below and I'll see you in part 2. Thank you.